Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of welding with a detailed look at the 165A MIG Welder, a versatile 4-in-1 gas and gasless welding machine. We found this impressive product online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. The 165A MIG Welder is designed for both amateur and professional welders, combining functionality and user-friendly features in a compact design. This machine supports multiple welding processes, including gas MIG, gasless Flux Core MIG, lift TIG, and stick/MMA modes. It's a true workhorse that adapts to various welding needs, whether you're tackling a DIY project at home or taking on more demanding tasks in a professional setting. One of the standout features of this welder is its smooth wire feeding system. Equipped with an upgraded dual-voltage drive and 4 precision wire feed rollers, it delivers continuous and friction-free wire feeding. No more worrying about wire slipping or clogging. This machine ensures flawless arc starts every time, even with solid or flux cored wire in diameters of 0.030, 0.035, or 0.040 inches. The 165A MIG Welder also boasts advanced manual mode options. For seasoned welders who enjoy fine-tuning their settings, the expert manual MIG mode allows you to adjust current and voltage to match the complexity of your projects. Meanwhile, the Smart Synergy MIG mode automatically matches the voltage and wire speed, making it perfect for those who may be newer to welding. Another impressive aspect is its intelligent LED display. The large, ultra-clear screen provides real-time data monitoring, and it's easy to read even while wearing a welding helmet. Plus, it features 2T/4T welding modes, which are great for long continuous seams or high-precision trigger control. With built-in arc force, hot start capabilities, and VRD safety protection, this welder is packed with features that enhance both safety and performance. Now, let's talk about power. The 165A MIG Welder delivers a reliable output current ranging from 30A to 165A, offering an exceptional rated duty cycle. This means it can efficiently handle a variety of materials including mild steel, stainless steel, and carbon steel. With its durable composite armor design and ergonomic shoulder strap, this portable welder weighs just 12.8 pounds, making it ideal for both outdoor site work and home workshop projects. And if you're worried about having to buy extra accessories, worry no more. This all-in-one welding kit comes fully loaded with everything you need to get started right away. It includes the welder with a detachable torch, an auto-darkening welding helmet with headgear, heavy-duty gloves, rolls of both solid and flux-cored wire, and all the necessary connectors and attachments. In summary, the 165A MIG Welder is a versatile and powerful welding machine suitable for both beginners and experienced welders. Whether you're working on home repairs or larger projects, this machine has the capability